What's going on, people? This is your host, Donnie D with Sculpting Fit Bodies, healthy living expert and certified fitness coach. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick, easy, and healthy way to prepare potatoes. Potatoes normally get a really bad rep, especially if they're deep fried in unhealthy oils. But in this video, I'm going to show you the right types of oils to prepare your potatoes in so you can enjoy them guilt-free and help you stay on track with your health and wellness goals. You won't be disappointed. So let's get started. Step number one, cut your potatoes down to your desired size. Keep in mind, the smaller you cut them, the faster they cook. So cut them accordingly, and you're gonna put your potatoes into cold water, but make sure you dry them thoroughly before proceeding. Okay, people, we're gonna get the potatoes prepared to go into the air fryer. And this is just my personal preference. I prefer to use an avocado oil or a coconut oil. Reason being, they have a high smoke point. I would avoid using olive oil because the smoke point is too low. The oil will start to burn and turn rancid, and you get a nasty, toxic, bitter flavor on your potato. So just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of avocado oil per 1 pound of potatoes. That's just a rough ballpark estimate. And what we're gonna do next, we're gonna toss the potatoes in the oil, get them well coated. All right, so it's just that simple. Now the potatoes are coated and they're ready to go into the air fryer. Okay, guys, so we're ready to put the potatoes into the air fryer. So go ahead and grab your air fryer basket or tray, and you're just gonna dump your potatoes into the air fryer basket. And you wanna make sure you don't overcrowd the basket. And we're gonna set the temperature. We're gonna go 400 degrees between 12 and 15 minutes. We're gonna check it about the halfway mark. Toss them around a little bit, make sure that they're cooking evenly, and then that's pretty much it.
15 minutes later.
All right, folks, so that's the recipe. Super easy and super healthy. Potatoes are not so bad for you. In fact, they are really good for you. They have a lot of nutrients that your body needs. Things like fiber, which helps keep your blood sugar regulated, helps, keep your digestive system moving properly. Potassium, which is an essential electrolyte that helps you stay hydrated. Vitamin C, good for your immune system, especially at these times. Those are all nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy. So don't be afraid of eating potatoes, just in moderation. Make sure that you give us some feedback, like this video, hit that thumbs up. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If this is your first time here on the channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And check out our other social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram. You check out our website, sculptingfitbodies.com, and check out my personal social media platforms, FitPro Donnie D on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. As always, much love, much respect. Stay peaceful. Till next time, we'll check you guys later. Peace. I forgot to taste the food.